Just real quick here, I want to walk you through step by step how to download and use Packet Tracer for assignments. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to run to resources in Packet Tracer. And I'll go ahead and click this Packet Tracer download page. And I'll just scroll down here, and there's some training videos and stuff if you'd like. But I'm going to go to the Windows desktop version. There is a Ubuntu and macOS version as well. I'm going to download that. I'll save that. Open it up by clicking on it here. And I've already installed the most current version, so it'll probably tell me I can't, but I will just continue through all of the setup really quickly. It looks like it'll install anyway, so that's great. Okay. Once it's installed, we'll just ignore these because you won't see these errors because I already installed Packet Tracer, and I'll just abort. That's fine. So anyway, usually it would open. I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to go to, in my case, I'm teaching, but in your case, it would be I'm learning. And yours might look a little bit different than this, but you would go down here into the course. And we'll go find the first Packet Tracer in this course, which is 238. And it'll scroll me down here. Now keep in mind, if you don't think like me, and by that I mean if like me you don't think, I clicked on this one a minute ago. It's really this one I'm looking for, 238. So this blue button will actually download the Packet Tracer file. This is the PDF that you can use if you're filling in any questions. So I'll click here to download the Packet Tracer file. I'll go ahead and click Save. Once that's done downloading, I can click it here. It should open automatically with Packet Tracer. And it'll open up here. We'll see that the name of the file came up here at the top. And we can see that we have everything here. And we can start following the instructions here on the left. And we can see our completion percentage here. If for any reason you get stuck and you don't understand why your completion is not complete, there's check results. You can jump in here to assessment items, and you can see all the steps. Maybe you missed one or two in here, or maybe something wasn't quite right. Every once in a while there's a glitch in Packet Tracer. Once you're done, you can go and exit out of here, and you'll be back in this screen. Let me know if you have any questions.